On August 30, 2025, an officer-involved shooting occurred in Aurora, Colorado, following a traffic crash on East 6th Avenue near Sable Boulevard. The Aurora Police Department has released bodycam footage to the public. Viewer discretion is advised as we analyze the events leading up to the incident and the moments that followed.
David John Lincoln, Henry 70. Stay in the car. Don't move. Don't move. Motor 45. I've got a crash. 6th, just east of 225. Get a couple cars here now. Stay in the. Give me your hands. Show me your hands. Get your hands up, dude.
Don't shoot me.
Get your hands up right now. Get your hands up.
Yeah.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get away from that motherfucking gun. Get on the ground now.
Get that shit. Nigga,
Get on the ground now.
Get that shit. Get that shit. Get that shit.
I'll shoot you.
Get that shit. Get that shit.
Dad, chill. No.
Get that shit.
No, Dad, chill.
Get that shit.
Officer, chill. Dad.
Get that shit.
Get on the ground.
Get that shit.
Get on the ground.
Oh, yeah.
This is where the encounter escalates beyond control. The officer strikes the suspect, a split-second decision that some might question. Is this an approved use of force, or a reflex under pressure? What follows happens almost instantly. The officer fires, and the suspect goes down. Moments later, officers move in and begin life-saving measures.
So, you ready for this? You ready for this?
Get on the ground.
You ready for this? You ready for this, huh? You ready for this, huh?
Get on the ground. Shots fired. Motor 45. Shots fired. Give me some cars. Cruiser. Ambulance hot. No. It's not a tourniquet kind of thing. Thank you. Stay there. Hey! Get over there behind us. There's a gun over there. Behind the boxes. Shut it all down. Sable, westbound, highway, eastbound. What?
They just shot my dad. He didn't have no gun.
Did you find that gun?
He threw the gun.
I got you right here, bro.
You got it? Okay.
Oh my God, bro.
Thank you. Yeah.
Oh, they just shot my dad.
Just trying to hit. No, let her help. She's okay.
Oh, you're sorry about that.
No, it's okay. I'm ER. I'm here to help if you need it.
You got it?
The police just shot my dad, man. No.
There's one in the head as well.
That was my dad, bro. That was my dad.
All right, car 25, gunshot to the chest, one to the head. Yeah, here, let's go. Come with me, come with me, come on. You got your camera on?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna get you in my car. We're gonna go to HQ.
Okay.
Rincon, we're going to HQ. Take this. We're going to HQ.
My car, black car over there. Keys are probably in it.
Okay, come with me.
Fire multiple shots.
I'll be with you in just a moment. Another suspect? All right, let's go.
He was unarmed.
Just get into the passenger seat.
I'm not real.
This tragic encounter on August 30th, 2025, left one man dead at the scene. The officer who fired the shot was placed on paid administrative leave, as required by department policy, while both criminal and internal investigations took place. An independent team from the 18th Judicial District reviewed the case, alongside an internal review by the Aurora Police Department. According to investigators, no criminal charges will be filed against the officer. If you want to stay informed as more details emerge, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Was the shooting justified? Thanks for watching, and stay safe.